feeling down, depressed and lonely. I know a place where we can go. 22 Acacia Avenue. Made a lane I know. So if you're looking for a good time and you're prepared to pay the price, 50 quid is all she asks for. Everybody's got their vice. If you're waiting for a long time for the rest to do their piece, you can tell her that you know me. You might even get it free. So anytime you're down the East End, don't you hesitate to go. You can't take my honest word for it. She'll teach you more than you can do. Sherlock, can't you get up from all this madness? Can't you see it only brings you sadness? When you entertain your men, don't you know the risk of getting disease? Suddenly when he brings the age of 40, I bet you remember the days when you were lying. Nobody ever wanted to know you would have any more beautiful ways to show anymore. 22, the Avenue. That's the place where we all go. You will find it's warm inside, red lights burning bright tonight. Charlotte, isn't it time you stop this mad life? Don't you ever think about the bad times? Why do you have to live this way? Do you enjoy your lay or is it the pain? Sometimes when you're strolling down the avenue, the way you walk it makes me think of having you. When you're walking down the street, everybody stops and turns to stare at you. 22, the Avenue. That's the place where we all go. You will find it's warm inside, red lights burning bright
Tá no chão. Tá no chão.